We're on the record in cause number 329024. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Kevin Eugene Hunter. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Hunter, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Hunter, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Hunter? That's good. Mr. Hunter, you've been handed out a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. Do you see that document?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will go over this document with you. And it reads, following the arrest and/or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
I do, yes, Your Honor.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that
Yeah,
condition?
Your Honor.
Now, condition number 3 applies when they're usually a victim in the case. This doesn't apply in your situation. But condition number 4 applies anytime there is a DWI second or higher case. And your case is a DWI second, so therefore it applies to you, and I will read it. And condition number 4, a defendant who has been arrested or accused of any subsequent offense listed under section 49.04 through 49.06 of the Texas Penal Code shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device mechanism that makes impractical the operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator. And said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verification of such installation being submitted to the court on or before the 10th day after arrest. Now, I know we're beyond the 10th day after arrest, and so we're going to say on or before the 10th day after today,
Okay.
okay? And I will just, let me do this here. I need to make that correction on your paperwork.
Can I ask a question, Your
Mr. Yes,
Honor? So even without the conviction, they require that.
that's a condition of your bond. Yes, that's our standard bond orders.
I understand. Okay.
Let me change that wording from after arrest to
James Johnson.
today.
James Johnson.
Okay. Deputy, let me get this back to him. Now, Mr. Hunter,
Yes, sir.
do you understand those bond
I
conditions?
do, yes, sir.
We ask that if you fail to, well, first of all, we ask that you adhere to those bond conditions. Your failure to adhere to any one of those bond conditions may result in your bond being revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant can be issued for your arrest.
I do understand.
Okay? And I think your case has been reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. This will conclude your case. You're excused and have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, sir, that door is locked. That,
Mr. Norris.